I'm Julie. I'm one of the facilitators at the Hub. So, what exactly do we do at the Hub? The Hub is a collaborative learning and communal experience where the participants are actively involved in choosing what they learn and how they learn it. But what does that look like in reality? It can look like philosophical debate, or an activity that solves a real world problem, or a creative group project such as world building that incorporates history, biology, civics, and more. It can look like drawing and discussing artwork, or collaborative story writing, or even games and puzzles. Through collaborative activities, participants dive deeper into their own interests as well as the interests of their peers, while honing real world skills like problem solving, adaptability, critical thinking, and creativity. At the Hub, we focus on challenging your child intellectually while supporting them in developing skills that are essential for personal growth and success. We provide a nurturing environment where your child can feel safe to explore, take risks, and build meaningful connections with others. We strive to empower each participant to become a confident and thoughtful individual, ready to tackle the challenges of the real world with curiosity and resilience.